What's up, fellas? Just want to say thank you to all the people that subscribe to me. I just realized and just got an email from YouTube that I surpassed 100 subscribers. It's pretty amazing since I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just learning on the job here, but really, thanks. Pretty cool. So anyway, getting to the kit and caboodle of this video. Everyone, well, most people who bought the Woodmizer LT15 in late 2021, early 2022, we've had issues with raising and lowering, well, really raising the carriage head, mainly because of the lifting struts in here. That was one issue with raising it. But now I was having an issue lowering it, which is weird because this thing weighs about 600 pounds, 500 pounds. Because my mill sits outside and I don't have it and cover over it, doesn't go inside ever, not yet. Part of your maintenance, along with cleaning this chain all the way down, as the old man and a sawmill says, you should clean this regularly and either use some type of grease or ATF rather, to lubricate this. This is the culprit, or this was my culprit. Grease fitting. You gotta grease that regularly, part of your routine maintenance on the mill. If you feel some binding and it's hard to lower it and raise it, try that. I'm not saying that that's the issue, but try it. Just like any piece of equipment, excavator, skid steer, even the ball joints on your truck, U-joints, whatever, anything that has a grease fitting does need for grease to be added to it at some point or another. So anyway, that was my issue. Now the carriage head goes up and down, no problem. There still is a little bit of difficulty, but nowhere near what I was experiencing before. And it was right around 10 inches was the challenging point. But now, yeah, it's a little bit more difficult. It's still a little difficult. So I'll probably add a little bit more. Just like with your machinery, tractor, what have you, you want to add until it starts oozing out from the bearing point, which is right there. I did, but I didn't go overboard. As you can see, there's only a little bit exposed there. So it's kind of something that you should keep an eye on. Also down here where the bearings are that ride along the mast, you might want to add some lubrication to there, maybe white lithium grease, something like that. Something that's waterproof, obviously, since mine's sitting outside. I do put ATF on there. I don't know if that's I don't know if that's the right lubricant for that application. Anyway, that's what it was, and it's been working great. So thanks again for the hundreds of subscribers, if I get my words out, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.